Hey, this is Anthony from Rock Prince, and thanks for watching this video. On this channel, I provide you walkthrough tutorials from graphic designing to digitizing images for heat pressing t-shirts and embroidery. In today's tutorial, we are going to take a spirit bird that represents the Aztec and the Mayan culture. Now, this bird symbolizes the god of air, freedom, and wealth. I thought this image would be so cool to apply it to a Yupong snapback authentic cap. But first things first, we're going to take this PNG file, we're going to dump it into CorelDraw X8, we're going to break the objects up, and then we're going to apply some New Mexico themed colors to this image to give it that colorful twist. After that, we're going to auto digitize it on our Ricoma software, and then we're going to start stitching it. So if you do find value in this video, please give me a thumbs up, as it's going to help support my channel out tremendously. And stick around to the very end to get the full benefit of this tutorial. So with that, let's go and get this started. Okay, let's go and import the image here. Just going to blow this up. All right, now this image is a PNG file. So what we need to do is go to trace bitmap. We got to change this into a bitmap. And the way we do this is we're going to do outline, and you have an option to pick. I'm just going to pick line art. We're going to reduce the bitmap. We're going to let CorelDraw do its thing. So this image is not too complicated, so CorelDraw can handle this. Okay, and I have it set up where it'll remove the old background. So let's go ahead and click OK. Okay, so first what we're going to do is we're going to click on the image. We're going to go to Objects. We're going to Group. We're going to ungroup all objects. Okay, and we're going to apply our colors. So next thing we need to do is import the New Mexico theme colors. First things first is go to our dropper, and we're going to get the first color, which is going to be turquoise. We're going to click on the outline. All right, the second color is going to be yellow, so we'll just take the dropper one more time. All right, there, and we'll go to the middle here. All right, now red. All right, okay, and lastly we are going to use orange. I'm going to get the orange this time. Okay. I missed the color, so we're just going to click in here. We'll just do that red. All right, and that's how our image is going to look on the hat. So let's go ahead and download this into a PNG file. All we're going to do is hit File, Export. All right, and then we're just going to select OK, and we are done. All right, so I got Chroma Lux open, and what we're going to do is we are going to use the auto digitizing feature. So we're just going to click up here where it says the letter A. We're going to click on this, and we are going to use the output stitch type as auto. I'm just going to simply browse for my image, and we're going to select the image that we just made. We're going to click on it, and then we're just going to apply next. All right, from here, all we need to do is convert the millimeters into inches. So how do you do that? I just simply go to Google and I look for millimeters to inches, and then I typed in here where you can see in the inches I put 2.5, and that gave me an output of 63.5. So I'll just go back to Chroma Lux and I'm going to type in 63.5. Okay, and now that's going to give me 2.5 image for this cap. All right, so it looks like it found the colors, and all we need to do is just hit finish, and that's it. That's all she wrote. So let's let it do its thing. All right, so just a couple of steps more. So you can see right there, it's got a good stitch, but on caps you want to make the stitch as tight as possible. So what we're going to do up here on the right hand side where you see density in millimeters, we are going to click this and we're going to make it into a 10. Okay, and voila. Now that's how it's going to look onto the cap. All right, so you got your nice fine stitch and you got the tightness, so it should look fairly decent, and it should come out just the way it looks on here. All right, so let's go ahead and save this to our embroidery machine, and we are done. I'll see you guys in the back. So I got the embroidery machine set up and we're ready to start rocking. So let's get started. There it is, the Aztec spirit bird, and it will be going up on my TikTok shop as well. So I hope y'all like this video, and if you did, please remember to like, share, subscribe, leave a comment. I greatly appreciate it. Thanks again for watching. Y'all have a blessed week and a blessed day, and we'll see you guys back on my next video next week. And peace. Suffocation, no breathing, don't give a fuck, I'm bleeding.